Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can convert any file into PDF format on Adobe Express. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Express and the Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have already opened it. Now you have to create account. And after creating account, you will get the options like this. You have to go to the document section. And after going to the document section, you need to click on this option, which is called convert to PDF. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we need to select the file, that which file we want to convert into PDF. So I'm going to click on this, and now I am going to select that file. For example, let's see, I'm going to select this one, and after selecting this, I'm going to click on the open section. And after clicking on the open, as you can see, it will take few seconds in converting the document, so we have to wait. It's up to your internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster result. So as you can see, now it's converted into PDF format. Now if you want to download, simply we have to click on the download button, and the PDF will be downloaded. And now if you want to edit this or cut this, you can also do that. So in this way, you can convert any file into PDF on Adobe Express. So see you guys in the next video.